This is a review of the wall control pegboard kit, item number 30-P-3232GV, a galvanized steel pegboard pack. It consists of 2 panels, and they fit across 16-inch spaced studs, and they're very strong. They say it's 10 times stronger than regular pegboard. I also got it with the wall control kit, their kit of hooks, model number KT-200-DLX, for a slotted storage panel. Now the 2 panels themselves cost $31, and the hooks cost an additional $24.72. So you can see you have different types of hooks for different types of things that you want to hang. And they have other types of hooks you can buy as well. I figured I would start with the assortment. And then for comparison, I purchased the Harbor Freight kit of pegboard hooks. You can see this, and here they are mounted. So you can either use the wall control hooks, which go in the vertical slots, or any standard 1/4 inch hook, which goes into the round holes. And they all seem to work. The big advantage of the Harbor Freight ones is that the entire kit of 32 pieces only cost $8.99, which is roughly 1/3 the cost of the wall control unit. Another difference is these are like longer and, or at least narrower, without like hooked ends here. So certain things will hook on easier on one than on the other. So I'm glad I have both styles here as I figure out how to organize things. I had to space it out here because this stud was greater than 16 inches from the other one. So I took some hunks of 2x4 to create 3 attachment points for it. The kit comes with the screws and screw anchors, so you can mount it into drywall, or you could even mount it into cinder block if you put the anchors in cinder block. The panels are self-spacing. You can see that they're spaced out from their mounting point, and you can see how the screw is recessed towards the back mounting point. So I think this is going to be a very helpful addition. I recently built this workshop table on wheels, and this table has been extremely useful for all sorts of stuff. I can mount my power tools on it if I want, or whatever. Because it's on wheels, I can move it wherever it's most convenient, and I'm really happy with that. But now my garage is turning into my 3rd workshop, and I'm figuring out how to conveniently arrange tools nearby so that they're easily accessible. So yeah, I would give a thumbs up to this wall control pegboard system. It's really not that much more expensive than regular pegboard. It is supposedly far stronger, and you have a variety of mounting options, and you can either use it with their own hardware or any standard 1/4 inch pegboard pegs.